Okay guys, so that was a little live playthrough of this tutorial track that we're going to go through. Very basic, but it's this kind of melodic techno stuff, very basic, and it's characterized by this bass, which has a lot of movement and flow to it, but it's all programmable via the wavetable. I'm going to show you how it's done. So a little bit of the stuff that we've got. I've designed a little staccato thing, just using this amber lead, very basic, just to keep it going. And then we've got the repro patch playing this kind of very emotional, simple kind of riff. Very nice, very basic, and certainly has a nice sound to it. So I'm just going to sidechain this quickly. Okay, then we've got some drums. And we've got the swell bass. So the swell bass is made very simply by using 3 notes, repetitive, cycling through, which are in key with a repro sound. And basically it's using a SAW PW wave from the Basics bank, and I've moved the wave position to get it just the way I want it, to get the tonality right, to get the phasing right, just to get everything just the way I wanted it, which is at 49%. To make it into a bass, we're enabling the sub oscillator and turning the tone all the way up, giving it that nice shape. We're using the filters. We're using the high pass cut and below 74.9, just to get rid of the low end, because we don't really need that for this type of bass. Adding a nice bit of resonance and some of the OSR setting drive, and we're using the filter. So it's all to do with the filtering here and the matrix. I've got some EQ here and a little bit of reverb, but nothing special. So we're using unison to give it the wide sound, to get that stereo width, very important. And then we are creating a lot of automation. So I've recorded in this automation, as you can see live, and this is the filter 1 frequency, and it makes it swell up and down. Also what we've done is we have we've brought down the envelope for oscillator 3, envelope 3, sorry. We've brought down the filter frequency for envelope 3. And another cool thing that we've done is, what happens is when this plays, you can see this moving up and down. This is the LFO that's triggered by the position of the oscillator. So what this does is it creates a really cool, weird sound. Very unique feature. That's why I love Wavetable, and you can get this cool sound. Listen, if I turn this down to 0 and turn it up, sounds quite cool. Now, another thing we've got is the filter frequency mapped up to the LFO, and it's shaped as so. We're using 3/16 as the rate, and this gives it that wob kind of cyclical sound, almost like dubstep. So I've gently used that. So if we turn this off, we turn off the LFO shaping for both the oscillator position and the filter frequency. That's what it sounds like before, and then we enable them. It's quite cool. and you can just see the filter frequency going up and down. Key is to bring the resonance up, and that gives you that really nice squeal and squawk in the filter, similar to what you would get in analog sounds. And that's it. That's the basic sounds, and that's how you do it. So I'll leave that there, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.